To complete the verification process in Remitly, start by opening a web browser and typing in Remitly to access the website. From there, navigate to the Login button, where you will enter your email and password to access your account. Once logged in, you can utilize all of Remitly's features. Next, go to the Settings page, which can be found under the Welcome section, along with options such as Redeem Offer, Help, and Sign Up. In the settings, you will find various options, including profile information, notifications, recipients, payment methods, and privacy choices. The security section is particularly important, as it outlines the transaction and account security, as well as the account verification process. This process is in place to maintain high levels of security, especially for new users. When creating a new account, you will need to provide certain personal information and complete the email verification process. After your account is set up, Remitly uses manual and automated risk management procedures to ensure the security of your transactions. Completing the verification process is crucial to ensure the safety of your identity. By following these steps, you can successfully complete the verification process in Remitly and access all of its features securely.